Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is 2-bit comparator. So here I will talk about how we compare the 2 bits. Let's suppose we have 2 bits AB and each bits having 2 bits like A0 and A1 and B0 having B0 and B1. Now the comparator will be done 3 cases. Let's suppose it has A is greater than B, A is equal to B and A is less than B. Now we will make 4-bit because 2 bits of A and 2 bits of B. So total bits are 4 bits as an input. This is our input. So 4 bits and input. So in the 4 bits 16 possible conditions are there. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 and this is the up to 1 1 1 1. There are 16 possible conditions. Now we will make a comparison like 0 0 0 0. A is equal to B and this will be 0 and this will be 0. Now we will do like this 0 0 0 1. 0 0 is 0 and 0 1 is 1. Now B is greater than A and either is 0. Now 0 0 1 0, this will also B is greater than A and this will be 0. Now 0 0 1 1, this will also A is less than 0 0, this is not equal to 0 and this will be like this. Now 1 0 0 1 and 0 0, in this condition A is greater than B, this is 0 and this will be 0. Now 0 1 0 1, you can check 0 1 0 1. Now this will be 0, this will be 1 and this will be 0. Now 0 1 1 0, you can check 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So 0 1 2 3. So here A is 0 1 and this will be 2. So here A is less than B. So here is 1, here is 0 and here is 0. Now 0 1 1 1. So A is less than B. Here 1, here 0 and here 0. Now here 1 0, this will be A is greater than B, 0 and 0. Now 1 0 0 1, 1 0 is greater than 0 1. So A is greater than 0 and 0. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Now 1 0 1 1. So this will be greater than 1 0 and 0. 1 1, this condition is fulfilled, other is 0. Now this will 1 1, this condition is fulfilled, other is 0. In this condition is fulfilled, other is 0. In this condition is fulfilled, other is this condition is fulfilled, only A is greater than B. Now this will be 0. Now we will make a K-map for all the condition. Now we will make first condition A is less than B. We will make a K-map of first condition. Now K-map is A1, A0, B0 and B1. Now the condition is like this. The 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now we will make a K-map. First condition is A is less than B. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. You know how to write this. Now we will make A is less greater than B. We will take only the 1. 0 1 2 3 4. So 4 is 1. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 8 and 9 10 11 12 13 14. 12 13 and 14. So this is our K-map. So if we solve this, we get this graph and this can make equation like this and this can make a grouping like this. So we will get the equation for this group. This will be A1, A0 is changing and there B1 and B0 bar. Now plus for this 4 grouping, you have from here to here going the only the B0, B0 bar, and here to here only the A0. Now plus from here to here, you can check from here to here A0, A bar, A0, A1, and here to here only B1 bar. Okay, now we will make a K-map of second condition, that will be A equal to B. So condition will be like this: A0, A1, B0, B1. Okay, you can take any variable, it's upon you. It is a combination circuit, it designing up to you. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So the condition is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So here we have 1. From here only 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So here 15. So we have diagonal, it cannot be grouping by itself. So we have the equation like this will be A0, A1 bar, B0, B1 bar. Now this will be plus A0 bar, A1, this will be B0 bar, B1, plus this will be A1, A0, B1, B0, plus this will be A1, A0, A1 bar, B0, B1 bar. This will be our equation. Now for third condition will be A is less than B. So how can we make the equation like this? This will be A0, A1, B0 and B1. So here you can 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. I should not revise all the things again. So you can make only the one, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and this is 11. So these are conditions. So you should make grouping. You can make grouping in a K-map like this. This will be your group, this will be your group, and this will be your group. Okay, now the equation is like from here to here you can check A1 not, A1 not, A not bar, A1 bar, or here to here, that is B1, plus here to here only B not, here to here A not bar, plus here to here that will be B not and B1, and here to here only A1 bar. This is our 3 equations. So how can we make the circuit diagram from this? So you can make the circuit diagram like B0, B3, B2, B1, B0. These are 4 input. Okay, just pay attention till the last. So for you can check this for A greater than B. So you should make like this. This will be A0. The condition is A0, A1, B0 and B1. 4 inputs. Okay. Now the for A greater than B. A bar, A1, B1 bar, and this will be go like this, B1 bar, and this will be go like this, and other is B0 bar. B0 bar, this will be go like this, B0 bar, and A0 like this. It is going through a AND gate. It is going through a AND gate, and this will be like A0, A1, and B1 is this, and B1 bar. Okay, this will be going through the AND gate, and all the circuit is going through the OR gate. So it is going through the OR gate. This is A is greater than B condition. You can make this circuit like this. Now you can make, or you will make another, that is A equal to B. That will be A0 bar, A1 bar, B0 bar, and B1 bar. You can also make a bar line here, and you can take the inputs from there also. Okay, this is going through a AND gate. Now A1, A0 bar. This also a line of A0 bar. You can take from here also A0 bar and A1 and B0 bar. Here is also a B0 bar. So you can take it from here also, and B1 like this. So it is going through an AND gate. Now all the inputs where A0, A1, B0, B1 going to the AND gate. Now A0, A1 bar like this, B0 like this, and B1 bar like this, going through the AND gate. So here all are going through the AND gate. So this condition is A equal to B. Like here you can also make this, but there is no space, so I am making here, that is from green color. So it is A1 bar. So A1 is this, so you can take this from here, A1 bar. Now A0 bar, you can take it from here, A0 bar, and B1, that is B1. You making AND gate here, and then B0 is here, B0 is here, and A bar, A1 bar. So A1 is here, going to the bar and AND gate. Now last is B1, B0, A bar. So there is no space, B0 and B1, B0 and A bar. So I think it is a line of A bar. So we are taking this and A bar. So this is going through the OR gate. So this is a condition of A less than B. So this is our whole example. You can check. Okay. So this is our 2-bit comparator, and this is our circuit diagram. So any combination circuit, you should make a input, the relation between input and output, then K-map, and then a circuit diagram according to your K-map answer, Boolean algebra. So this is our 2-bit comparator. If you have any query regarding this session, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. If you have any doubt, please subscribe my channel for more videos.